Here's how to convert text to a table in Google Docs using Google Sheets. No extensions needed. Start by making sure your text data is separated consistently by a space, comma, or any other character. This separator tells Google Sheets where to split your columns. Select all your text and copy it. Open Google Sheets, click on any cell, and paste your data. A small window will appear. Click it and select Split Text to Columns. Google Sheets will automatically divide your data into separate columns. If it doesn't split correctly, click the Separator button and manually select the correct separator, comma, space, semicolon, or whatever you're using. Once your data is split correctly, select all of it and copy it. Go back to Google Docs, right-click where you want the table, select Paste, and choose Paste as Table. Your text is now a clean, formatted table ready to edit. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point Google Docs tutorials on Step by Click.